Hey guys, we have a big breaking news coming out. President Donald Trump signs executive order for the feds to take over Los Angeles, California. And you guys already know the wildfire that happened about a year ago. And the people in Los Angeles are happy. They are pleased. They are happy. They're saying, thank you, Trump, for sending help. Thank you for basically, for stepping up, because Gavin Newsom, the governor of California, and the mayor of Los Angeles, I think her name is Karen Bass, I think that's her name, they're slacking. They're slacking when it comes to rebuilding. And so you have the people of Los Angeles, they are thanking President Donald Trump. It seems like Donald Trump is taking over. He's telling Gavin Newsom and the mayor, get out the way. We are taking over. We're going to rebuild this. We're going to fix it. We're going to do it for the people of Los Angeles. This is big breaking news here. And Gavin Newsom, well, he's not pleased. But here's the thing. Gavin and all these other liberals, they take care of illegal more than their own citizens. California wildfire, that happened like a year ago, and they still haven't done anything. And the people still waiting. Then again, Donald is just stepping in. Donald is stepping in. And I started thinking, with all this fraud stuff going on in Minneapolis, Minnesota, with all this money, I just feel like, I know I should have been thinking like this, but I just feel like all this wildfire stuff was done on purpose to get insurance money out of it. All this fraud stuff that's going on, all these scams, and a lot of people lost their homes, and you have foreigners buying them properties now and rebuilding. I just feel like a lot of this burning stuff was possibly due to insurance fraud. Just like the Titanic, I do believe it was a lot to do with insurance fraud, or the New York situation. But again, we're going to see what's going on with all this here, guys. Before I start, for those of you that want to help and support this channel, we do have the Cash App link and the PayPal link in the comments box and also description box. I want to thank every single one of you for that support. This platform has not been sharing out videos like they used to, but your support truly helps out, and thank you for that. I really appreciate that, guys. Thank you so much. All right, so what are your thoughts on this? Leave comments down below. So President Donald Trump said help is on the way. Trump is sidestepping, thumb-twiddling California Democrats with an executive order aimed at fast-tracking the rebuilding of Los Angeles a year after devastating wildfire torched entire city blocks and left thousands homeless. I want to see if we can take over Los Angeles and the state and just give the people their permits they want to build. President Donald Trump told the California Post Friday in an exclusive Oval Office interview when he signed 7-page order. So in other words, Trump is taking over. He's saying, that's it. I'm done. I'm done with all this slacking stuff that you guys are doing. The people of California, the people of Los Angeles don't deserve this. I'm stepping in. I'm taking over. Help is on its way. So you have this one lady, she just in tears. She was so happy. She's like, thank you. It's not about, the way she said it, it's about America, she said, coming together and helping Americans. Gavin failed to do that. It says here, President Donald Trump pointed the finger at California Governor Gavin Newsom and Los Angeles Mayor Karen Bass for the painfully slow rebuilding of homes ravaged by the January 2025 Pacific Palisades and Eton fires, two of the most destructive blazes in Los Angeles history. Now, guys, I don't live in California. I don't live in Los Angeles, but for those of you that live in LA, has the mayor even tried to rebuild? Are you seeing any process? Leave comments down below. One thing I tell you guys is that we got hit with a hurricane and it was really bad. I mean, we talking about everything just, destroyed in my house. I had to rebuild the roof and all that. And there were trees all over the place. Power lines were just damaged. But all that was done in at least, I'm going to say maybe 2 months, because they had to do the cleaning, they had to do all that type of stuff, and there was so many trees. And again, they did that in 2 months. And North Carolina already fixed their problem, but Los Angeles, is your situation have been resolved? I mean, I know it's a different climate stuff, it's the fire and this and that, but again, this would be at least some kind of process, something going on, or rebuilding of homes or something. It says here the wildfire destroyed an estimated 16,000 structures, but Los Angeles City and county officials have only issued 2,600 permits to rebuild so far. Oh man. In all, less than 50% of all homes destroyed by the fire have received necessary approval to move forward, according to the Trump administration. President Donald Trump's order is designed to preempt the building permit process and empower the federal gov to maneuver around the needless obstacle imposed by the Democratic leaders. The order calls out the nightmare of delays and bureaucratic malice at the California state and local levels, and it will almost certainly be challenged by Democrats in power in the Golden State, despite displaced residents literally crying out to be made whole again. Jessica Rogers, a Pacific Palisades resident who lost everything in a wildfire, burst into tears of joy when she learned the federal government was stepping in to pick up the slack. We're so desperate. We really need help. We really need the help. We cannot do this on our own. Our state, not capable. Our city, not capable. This is not something that requires a village. It requires the nation. We need our federal government to come in, she told the Post. Rogers not only lost her home, she lost her income and even found out her insurance company had illegally dropped her after the deadly blaze. Unbelievable. Hey, but if she would have told them, hey, I'm Somali, then they probably would have gave her all the money she wanted. And I'm not trying to be funny here. I'm serious about this, because if this was an illegal or foreign, they would give her all the help. The city of Los Angeles is completely broke, incapable of managing their own city, and they cannot possibly be tasked with this disaster on their own, she said. Los Angeles, actually the entire California state, are you paying attention? Are you listening? All right? Your governor, Gavin Newsom, is slacking. The mayor is not helping the Californians. People lost their homes. They still trying to rebuild. Insurance is not helping them. Y'all need to go red. You need to vote red. You see what Trump is doing? He's sending the help. He's telling Gavin Newsom, get out of here, man. I'm stepping in. I'm taking over. I don't know why people still go for the blue. Why are you still going for the blue? They're not helping you. They're not there for you. Oh, Lewis, I'm getting my assistance every month. Get off that thing. Get to work. Put on the boots. Get to work. America is not about free handouts. America is about working hard and building business and chasing the American dream. The federal gov and the Newsom administration are already embroiled in a spate of legal battles, including over sanctuary state policies and restarting oil pipelines. President Donald Trump, a former real estate developer, said he was compelled to step in after touring the fire damage a year ago with First Lady Melania Trump and seeing the devastation firsthand. He said he was shocked to see that even a year later, there's nobody building. Trump signed the executive order to have the feds take over Los Angeles. It's time to step in. Gavin, get out the way. Mayor Cameron Bass, get out the way. You guys are slacking. It's time to get things done. We need people back in their homes. And it's really sad. It's really sad because this has been going on for many years. And again, Gavin talks so bad about Trump, but here he is. He's not even taking care of his own people out there in California. I'm going to leave the rest in the description box. What are your thoughts? Leave comments down below. We are praying for the people out there in Los Angeles. It's very sad what's happening. And those people, California, don't deserve this. They lost everything, and they still waiting for some kind of help. And the president is gonna have to step in. But please don't be like Minnesota. Don't try to start a riot and stuff like that. This is help on its way. Please try to understand that. Because I got a feeling Gavin and the mayor is going to say something. They're going to come on TV, and then people's going to listen to them, and then people's going to go out in the streets and do crazy stuff. I mean, please, people, just try to open your eyes and open your ears. And again, just try to understand that help is on its way, and California deserves the help. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. God bless you all. Till next time later. Peace.